Local news for Friday the 6th of July. Spending in Wairarapa through the Paywide network for June shows an underlying percentage change of 8.6%. A total of $43.8 million was spent through the Paymark in the region last month. It's year on year. July 7th, tomorrow is International Day of Cooperatives and will be celebrated. Utility cooperatives are engaged in the transition to cleaner electricity, such as the newly formed Energy Democracy Cooperative, New Zealand's first solar power generation co-op, established in the Wairarapa back in May. Shock Chocolates Murray Langham is renowned for pushing the boundaries when it comes to creating exotic flavour combinations for his handcrafted chocolates. This month will be no exception. Mr Langham says he'll attend the New Zealand Chocolate Festival in Wellington on the 14th and 15th of July. He says everyone has heard about a wine and cheese match. We thought we would do a shock chocolate wine match, and it was super successful. And in sport this weekend, in Premier Rugby, Master Red Star are playing at Colombo Road against Eketahuna. Marist host East Coast, Carterton are at home to Greytown, and Gladstone are away.